In today's video, we're exploring 3 of the best tuner apps for Android. Whether you play piano, guitar, or other instruments, these apps will help you tune your music perfectly. Let's jump right in and see what each app has to offer. PianoMeter Piano Tuner. PianoMeter Piano Tuner is a specialized app designed for tuning pianos and other keyboard instruments. It uses high-precision audio analysis to detect the pitch of each note, ensuring accurate tuning every time. The app features a simple and intuitive interface that displays real-time feedback on pitch accuracy, making it easy for users to adjust their instruments. Additionally, PianoMeter includes a built-in sound generator that can play reference pitches, which is helpful for tuning by ear. Whether you're a professional pianist or an enthusiast, this app is an excellent tool for achieving perfect tuning. Strobe Tuner Guitar Tuner. Strobe Tuner Guitar Tuner is a versatile tuning app that caters primarily to guitarists, but can also be used for other stringed instruments. It utilizes a strobe tuning method, providing visual feedback that helps users achieve precise intonation. The app features multiple tuning options, including standard tuning and various alternate tunings, making it suitable for different styles of play. With its easy-to-read display and responsive controls, Strobe Tuner ensures that you can quickly tune your instrument, whether you're on stage or at home. This app is perfect for musicians looking for an accurate and efficient tuning solution. Tuner gStrings. Tuner gStrings is a popular and highly rated tuning app that supports a wide range of musical instruments, including guitars, violins, and ukuleles. Its responsive interface allows users to tune their instruments quickly and accurately, using either the microphone or calibration settings. The app provides visual feedback through a needle-style interface that indicates pitch accuracy, making it easy to add just strings. Tuner gStrings also includes a feature to save custom tuning settings, which is especially useful for musicians who often use alternate tunings. With its reliable performance and user-friendly design, this app is a fantastic choice for both beginners and experienced musicians. Thanks for watching our video on the best tuner apps for Android. We hope these recommendations help you achieve that perfect pitch and improve your musical skills. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more great content.